In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel EA Play on Steam. If you pick up EA Play through Steam and want to stop the recurring charges, I'll walk you through the exact path in the Steam interface and explain what happens after you cancel so there are no surprises. First, open Steam and sign in. You can use the desktop app or the Steam website in a browser. Make sure you're logged into the same Steam account that has the EA Play subscription, since subscriptions are tied to individual accounts. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the username in the top right corner before moving on. Next, click your profile name in the top right and choose Account Details from the drop-down. This takes you to your account overview, where Steam keeps your purchase history, payment methods, and subscriptions. On the Account Details page, look for the section called Store Purchase History. Inside that area, click Manage Subscriptions. Depending on your region or interface updates, it might read Manage Subscriptions or Recurring Subscriptions. All of these lead to the same place, your active and past subscriptions tied to Steam billing. On the Subscriptions page, find EA Play in the list. It may appear as EA Play 1 month, or EA Play 12 months, depending on the plan you chose. If you don't see it under active, it could already be cancelled or the subscription might be on a different Steam account. When you've located EA Play, select the option next to it to make changes. You'll typically see Edit or Cancel, sometimes labeled Cancel My Subscription. Clicking that begins the cancellation process and prepares Steam to turn off automatic renewal for that plan. Steam will show a confirmation screen to make sure you really want to cancel. Confirm your choice and apply the change. This doesn't delete your account or your games, it simply stops recurring billing for EA Play. You can resubscribe later directly from Steam if you change your mind. After you cancel, your membership stays active until the end of the current paid period. You'll keep access to EA Play benefits until that date, and then the subscription ends and you won't be charged again. It's a good idea to note the next billing date shown on the subscription page so you know exactly when access will expire. That's it. Thanks for watching.